This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cutting boards, specifically this Sure Grip cutting board. We have the purple allergen safe board, and these boards have a couple of great features to them. They've got these non-slip grips at each corner that are going to keep that board from moving around on you, a wonderful carrying handle, which is always a fantastic feature, and great measurement markers on each side. This one is 24 inches by 18, but these boards are also available in a 12 by 18 size as well. We have the purple here, but they also come in red, green, and white, making them fantastic if you're using a coating system in your kitchen. So think red for raw meats, green for produce, white for pastry and dairy, and the purple like we have here for things like allergen-free and special dietary needs. It comes with the great measurements on either side, inches on one and centimeters on the other, and those non-slip grips are going to prevent it from walking around on you while you're using it. The boards themselves are made from premium plastic that's going to protect not only your counters and surfaces, but also your knives, and really stand up to some heavy use, making these perfect for use in commercial kitchen environments or for preparing foods at home.